Okay, fifth graders. So I am going to sign in here and I'm just going to redo what we've gone over on those last slides, okay? And then I'm going to take you just a little bit farther so that you can kind of see what your assignment is for today. So I'm logging into Zello. Let's try that one more time. Well, look at that. Miss Nelson spelled her name wrong. Okay. I am logging into Zello right now. And I'm going to switch so that I'm a student so you can see what I see. All right. You're going to view as a student. So when you log into Zello with your username and password, you're going to come up to this section right here. Like we talked about, we're going to click on careers. And then we are going to click on school subjects. And we have all these subjects here. We have more subjects in school, but these are just some that underneath each category. Right now I'm in arts and music. It has all sorts of different careers associated with that school subject. So it really shows how this work that we're doing in school right now can help you toward your future goals. So, I mean, you could look through like the gym and health ones. It's really fun to look through. And there's more. So like, for example, math and computers. We do a lot of math, right? And sometimes it gets frustrating. Look at all these astronauts. I'm just going to kind of go through this list. Chemist, chef. Even a chef has that. All right. And I'm just going to kind of keep going down the list and kind of look at these. You're going to have plenty of time in this assignment to do that. Mathematician, obviously. Lots of stuff in the medical career would have to do with math. And that would be something you could focus on right now in school to help you reach that goal. Let's see if any catch our eye. Oh, this is the one that I was going to show you guys. Video game developer. I know a lot of us love video games. So I'm going to uncheck that here. Okay. So once you click on the subject, then it actually tells you about it. So you can scroll through. It says what they do, subjects they use here, where they work, other careers that kind of are involving with it. And then the part I know you guys are going to be really interested in, how much they make. And then down here, it's how they get started. So what types of post-secondary you'd have to go to. And I know you guys learned about that in the last lesson. So you're going to kind of just go through this. Maybe you're like, oh, but actually an animator sounds cool. So then you'd go and click the animator. And you can play around with this. And it tells you all sorts of different things that you can learn about. If you find one that's interesting, this is going to be your job today. You're going to need to find 3 that are interesting for you. And at that point, you're going to heart them. And what that does is then it kind of remembers that about you. So if I go back to my careers page and I go to my liked careers, well, you can see that I've liked 2 careers. I've liked being an animator and an accountant. So I can go back to that at any time. So that's our goal for you today, 5th graders, is to research these. And don't just pick the first 3 that you found. Really research these and see what ones make sense for you. So I think you guys are going to have a ton of fun with this. I know that I actually, and I already have my career, but I know that I have already found careers that I want to find out more information on. Look at this, an animal trainer. I mean, how cool is that? And like, what can we be doing now to make sure that happens? So I'm really looking forward to 3 careers that you've hearted, and then we can even dig deeper and make that goal happen. All right. Good job, 5th graders.